Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup HubSpot custom objects and schema detailed guide step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log in to your account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the top menu. Select the Custom Objects option from the drop-down list. Identify the custom object you wish to backup from the list displayed. Click on the custom object to view its details. In the right corner of the screen, locate the Actions button. Click on Actions and select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired file format for the export, typically CSV or JSON. Confirm your selection and click the Export button to initiate the process. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click the download link to save the exported file to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot developer account. In the Developer dashboard, navigate to the Objects section. Select Custom Objects to view all custom object schemas. Choose the custom object schema you want to backup. Click on the View Schema option to open the details of the schema. Copy the schema definition to a text file for safekeeping. Make sure to include all properties and their respective settings. Once you have copied the schema, save the text file securely. In case you need to restore the data, access the saved files. Import the custom objects using the Import function in the same Reports tab. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV or JSON file. Verify that the data has been imported correctly. For schema restoration, return to the Developer dashboard. Use the Create Custom Object feature to recreate the schema as needed. Paste the previously saved schema definition into the appropriate fields. Save your changes to complete the schema restoration. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your backup is up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.